never going to close my mind from learning. A very warm namaste to all our distinguished guests, working under guidance of our esteemed chairman, Mr. Vijendra Singh, Vice Chairman, Mr. Yogendra Singh, Director Head, Mr. Nishant Singh, our guiding lights, Ms. Vandana Singh and Ms. Shefali Singh, and our dedicated Director, Dr. Jay Kumar Singh. Honorable Principal, Mrs. Jyoti Rana, and Vice Principal, Mrs. Jyoti Roy, and our respected parents and grandparents. I, Urvashi, along with my co-host Arjun Dubey from Pyare Kadam B, on behalf of the Sri Ram Universal School, take immense pleasure and to welcome you on board with us. We are delighted to be here to witness today's form morning presented by our shining stars from Nanne Kadam, Pyare Kadam and Badhte Kadam. Today is a day of rejoicing for as it marks the first step that every child must undertake to open up to another stage of their lives. The lighting of the lamp. I would like to invite our dignitaries near the stage to light the ceremonial lamp and bless this gathering with their esteemed presence. Ms. Jyoti Rana and Vice Principal Ms. Jyoti Roy to present our venerated guest with memento as an expression of our gratitude. Our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Jyoti Rana, to share the words of wisdom and give the presentation. Ma'am, you show motherly love, but give fatherly confidence. Your endless care, guidance and support is a proof of true leadership. We are really blessed to have a principal like you. With a thankful heart, we welcome you, ma'am. Please grace the stage with your presence.
Namaste everyone. I see the house is packed full. We had calculated and we thought some chairs are going to be free, but I'm so happy that not only the parents but the grandparents and I think aunts and uncles have also shown up to motivate their little ones. And when you motivate your little ones, we get double the motivation. On the warm morning of our very littlest kids, my gracious regards to our visionary leader and our lighthouse, our chairman Shri Vijendra Singh Ji, to our dynamic and really kind-hearted vice chairman Shri Yogi sir, our loving and caring director Vandana ma'am, accomplished and supportive director Dr. Jay Kumar Singh, the most loving and solicitous Mrs. Jyoti Roy, our Vice Principal. Above all, nurturing and supportive parents. I welcome you to the form morning themed Kana. This is the second show that we are conducting today. The first program took place in the morning. So I had done some research on the word Krishna, that this is the very first time I did it. And I made some changes in the speech, but you have to forgive me if some of you were present in the first part and you heard part of it. The name Krishna has a profound meaning. It is derived from the Sanskrit word Krish, which means to attract, and Nam, which means the supreme joy. Hence, Krishna translates to the one who attracts all with supreme joy. I also did some search and I found some qualities of Krishna, and I think you will agree with me. He was a joyful and a happy individual. He was a great leader. He's a legendary guru, an ideal friend. He's also mischievous, a brilliant student. I read that within 3 weeks, they had learned 64 different, translations and Upanishads from their Guru Sandipani. He was a very simple soul at heart, master of communication and an ocean of knowledge. All these qualities of Krishna are something that we want to imbibe in our children. Krishna acted as a cowherd, but he was a legendary guru. He was an obedient and a brilliant student, a great king, a protector, and an ideal friend. He was a philosopher, an accomplished charioteer, and the master flute player. Do all these qualities sound something that you want in your child? This is something that we are looking for in a child, and I think thank you, Mrs. Roy, for choosing this wonderful topic, Kanha, and the teachers for working on making it a reality. Krishna did everything and excelled in all of them. He was indeed the master of all. He is one of the happiest gods whose colorful expressions in life teach us what to do when we are at difficult crossroads. Despite having so many problems in life, Krishna lived his life as nothing but a celebration. And that is what Shri is all about. We want our children to be ready to face the challenges like Krishna. But above all, we want them to imbibe the value of humanity, and that is what Shri culture is all about. Imbibing the best in everybody around. Dear parents, I would also like to congratulate each and every one of you. If I draw your attention to the screen, the school, with everyone's support, has been awarded as the best emerging school by Braintree Magazine and C4 Rankings. C4 Rankings are the most trustworthy rankings across the world when it comes to ranking institutions of education. We are second in Uttar Pradesh, fourth in India, and second in Greater Noida. My humblest thanks go to our management for their constant support and guidance, without which this award would not have been possible, and all the trust and faith that the parents have shown in us. Thank you very much. We have a quick presentation of the activities that took place before we bring in your little kanhas and gopis for you to enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Lord Ganesha is the Lord of removing obstacles. When our direction is less than perfect, He is always there to remove barriers that keep us from achieving our highest aspirations in life. By bringing our consciousness close to Him, we give permission for Him to positively influence our life in these subtle, often unseen ways. So before we begin, let's remember the divine and seek His blessings. Here comes the children for the Ganesh Vandana.
You guys keep quiet. Turning left and we use it. आइए आइए आवाज सभी के समक्ष आज के कार्यक्रम का श्री गणेश मंदिर
Keeping up with this energy, let's proceed further. Beethoven tells you what it's like to be Beethoven, and Mozart tells you what it's like to be human. That tells you what it's like to be the universe, where one sleep of music begins.
ईश्वर
They have shared a very special song with us. It's a beautiful celebration of different faiths, showing how love and harmony can unite all of us. As our little performers already performed, let's remember that while we may come from different backgrounds, we are all part of one big caring family. So let's give them a big round of applause.
मथुरा का एक कारागृह देवकी और वासुदेव को पुत्र धन की प्राप्ति हुई। वासुदेव जागो वासुदेव, इन बेड़ियों से तुम मुक्त हो, कोई बंधन तुम्हें बांध नहीं पाएगा। वासुदेव, इस बालक को लेकर तुम गोकुल चले जाओ, वहाँ पे तुम्हारे मित्र नंद के घर इसे छोड़ आओ। क्या करूं? दिया करता था। कान्हा की एक झलक पाने माखन का लालच देकर सबके द्वार खोल दिया करता था।
commitment have not only shaped our institution but have also greatly contributed to the overall development of our students and staff. So please join me in welcoming our Vice Chairman, Mr. Yogendra Singh, to share his thoughts and words of wisdom with us.
Namaste to everyone. I really welcome the parents, grandparents, mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters and their uncles and aunts all to the school, the Sri Ram Universal School, to see the program. The theme is Kana, a very touching theme for everyone. I really thank Jyoti Rana ma'am for being a so nice administrative principal and a force of energy to work with us. Jyoti Roy ma'am, a magnificent personality, always smiling, caring, teaching, listening, respecting, loving, caring. She has fever but she is here. Whatever it is, she is in the child, taking care of the children. And our director sir, they, Mr. Jay Kumar Singh, they are all not teachers. Their passion is teaching. They are inbuilt teachers. They went to school, they went to college, they again went to school, and they are in school. So they have not gone out of the school. And this is not easy. It is really, because they don't see the world. They see the world changing in the children. They keep on changing with years to years. They have thought, they have taught, they have learned, they have explained how to learn. When it was a phenomena of teaching, writing, homework, but the whole JK sir has 38 years of experience in teaching. Mrs. Jyoti Rana ma'am has 24 years of only of teaching and teaching and teaching. She is also a mother, she knows how to teach. Roy ma'am, 22 years of experience teaching and caring. So we have to really believe on our principles. They are magnificent and they are flawless. They care our children more than anyone. Then comes our teachers. They also wake up at 5:30 every day. No reason, no chutti. They have to come. Whatever it is going on in their home, they will be there before the children. That is their responsibility. Because they know our children more than we know. 15 minutes also we cannot, just grab our children and band on your parents. This is the thing. Second thing is we give them mobile. But teachers don't do this. They teach. They tell how to dance. They tell how to behave. They tell them how to walk in a line. Don't push anyone. Don't shout. Don't cry. No, mama will come. Because our children are very small. They are really small. Just 1 or 2 years, they have come out. Someone has just come only 6 months. They have left the home. Their eyes are searching for mothers, fathers, grandparents. Every time 3 hours, their eyes are waiting outside. Someone still come and take me. But our teachers and our principals, people really grab them. They love them. They feed them. They listen to every point they want to say, and they teach them the best for their knowledge. And the reverse, there is Sri Ram. We people may be new, but they are very old. And Sri Ram is 70 years old, best institute which runs and listens what to teach, what not to teach. Because they are experts, we are not. As parents, we are not. We are thinking what we were taught. Okay, this is the way to learn. No, the world is changing. From learning to rectification, it has changed to skill. Now it is the skill development which is going on. And this is because of the gadgets. We cannot really force our children to stay away from the gadgets. But we have to build our boundary, how much, what and not to what. This is the work of a parent. Please don't let your fear cover your child. They are more stronger than us. Why? Because when we were born, AQI oxygen level was only 2200, maybe 02. Our grandparents were, they were having the fresh air everywhere. Fresh food, fresh milk. There was nothing known as pollution. They have seen the most dangerous time, that was Corona. They can build their body. The God has given them so much of grace. Every day at 6 o'clock they are ready for the school. Why? Because it is a happy school. No child is crying in the morning. Parents are crying, the child wants, Mama, I have to go to school because I have to do this, I have to do that, I will dance, I will come on stage. See the confidence. Can we imagine? In 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, can we imagine standing in line, dancing in groups, in a line? They are not dancing at their own. They have been taught what to dance, what not to dance. And in the front of the parents, with their eyes are watching you. How do you behave? You have to tell them you are doing great. And I tell you, they are magnificent. They have the best knowledge, they have the best things you are giving them. You are the best parents. We have to care, but please, you have to believe on our experts. They know how to handle them because they are made for it, and it's not by choice, it's by profession they are doing it. And it's by love they are doing it, it is by their soul they are doing it. Because no one has forced them to work and work and work again. But no, they don't want to go out of the school. Then they went to college, again to school. I won't take much time. But one thing I want to say, छोटे हैं बच्चे हमारे, चाहने दो उनको, गाने दो उनको, रंगने दो इन दीवारों को, हाथों का हाथ देखो इतना छोटा छोटा हाथ है उनका. They are ready to take all the responsibilities. Let them fly. The day will come that they will walk straight. They won't fall. But this experience is with everyone. You will run, you will fall, you will again run. चोट लगी, गिरेंगे, हटेंगे, भागेंगे. But the children are magnificent. They are wonderful. Believe on the teachers, and I really thank you to be a very nice parent lobby. You all are grandparents. You are teaching the best. You are caring the best. I really thank you. Namaste everyone. And आज का तरफ से योगेंद्र सिंह योगी की तरफ से राधे राधे.
Thank you, Vishnunan. Thank you, sir. That was indeed one inspiring speech by you, and we look forward to hearing to you all the time. Parents, as we have been talking about the surprise of the day, we request all the parents who have registered for the festive ramp walk to gather near the stage and to give a sample walk. We have our respected, our beloved Parul ma'am to initiate and give it a start, and Karuna ma'am, of course, why not? Karuna ma'am and Parul ma'am on the stage to start with the rap walk that we have been waiting ever since we knew about it. Here we have ma'am. Give up a huge round of applause for both of them, and we look forward to having all of you here near the stage. It's from our side, non-stop. Let's take this excitement to the next level.
I'm Parul Khanda, and my child is Devi Khanda, studying in Pyare Kadam T, and I'm representing Ganesh Chaturthi.
Namaste everyone. My son name is Lakshraj Singh Basan and he is studying PKC and he is representing Ganesh Mata. Thank you.
Thank you, Karuna ma'am and Paula ma'am. You have really set the mood of the day. Now may we have the other parents take the center stage.
Namaste everyone. I am a mother of Molly Dharma from Nanegala and I am also representing a Ganesh Chaturthi. A very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Thank you.
Good evening parents. My name is Ranju and my son studies in Bhattikadam section B and I wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. My name is Pratibha Sharma, mother of Bhavyansh Chauhan, BKB, and Bhavya Chauhan, 7th A. And he participated in Kagya Naval.
Namaste everyone, my name is Rita Singh and my son name is Apurv Singh Baghel. He is studying in BKB and he participated in an act as a Prabhu. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Your style, how you spoke really mesmerized us. Thank
Namaste everyone. My name is Alika Srivastava. I am Anvi Srivastava's mom. Anvi in PKB.
everyone for Anvi's mom. Let the world have the thunder of a clapping still non-stop.
Namaste everyone. I am mom of Priyanka from PKC. She was in the dancers group and along with me is her grandmother who's come specially from Meerut for the attend this function.
Oh my God, that's such a kind gesture. Thank you, ma'am, for being a mom to this. Also, parents, the last minute entries are also welcome. Dear parents, we're looking forward to the last minute entries. Let the stage be on fire with your walk, your alarm, and your work. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. Myself Bhumika Goyal. I am mother of Jian Agrawal from PKC and he is represented in singing. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Kudos to Priyanka's mother. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Priyadashni, mothers of Mahara Kaishya, BKB. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, Maharaj ma'am. Thank you. Your style, the sari, we love it. We're looking forward to more parents coming to the stage. Parents, please, let there be lots of entries. Let's enjoy the moment and walk around.
हेलो, आप सभी को नमस्कार। गणेश चतुर्थी की भी बहुत बहुत बधाई आप लोगों को। मैं शिवाई की दादी हूँ।
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
My mother-in-law is Nani and he's in BKB. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone and thank you so very much. It was like amazing. So, thank you.
And the introduction itself was enough. Shivai ki dadi.
Piyush Kumar, and I'm very proud and very happy to be here. Thank you very much, and kudos to all the students and all the teachers who have put up so much of effort to bring this program all around. Thank you so much.
Namaste everyone. My name is Ashi Pargana and I'm the daughter of and she's so beautiful and she's so excited for the event, and she is performed in Thalia from Thana, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Thank you, ma'am, for your great efforts. Thank you so much. Namaste everyone. My daughter name is Renaya Sage, and thank you ma'am to call us on the stage, but I was not prepared. But the stage is lovely. Every children was looking very beautiful, very well prepared. Thank you.
Ma'am, the beauty and grace has been amplified presence here. We have the ladies in pink. Everyone give them a big round of applause. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. My name is Sandesh Shrivastava and my son is in NKB. His name is Atul Shrivastava. Thank you and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Thank you.
We have more and more parents coming up to the stage.
Namaste. My name is Rekha Bhavya. Vikan, grandmother. NKB.
What blessing to have our grandmothers, mothers here on the stage. But I wonder why our fathers are just keeping themselves restricted to the audience area. I want the ladies on the stage to call for their partners and everyone there. Please, we want it here.
My name is Neelam Singh. I am a student. Utkar Singh. I am a mother of a student. Utkar Singh.
Thank you, precious mothers. Fathers, we want you on the stage. I want the ladies on the stage to call out for their partners.
Namaste everyone, myself Shiva, mother of Srijit from NKB. Wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you.
Wishes mom, we want wishes father also here on the stage. Thank you, precious mother. Again, I think I should not be repeating. We are missing the best here in action. We have fathers, mothers on the stage. Thank you. Thank you, mother, for initiating the moment. Yes, ma'am, you may go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Isha, mother of Princesha Narula, and she is her grandmother. So she participated in dancing of Martin show.
Thank you, ma'am. And now we have the fathers gracing the stage. Thank you, dear parents. We want everybody here on the stage shaking their legs and enjoying the music, taking the celebration to the next level. Let's carry on.
Hello everyone, I am Father Namaste Singh. I am studying PKB. Thank you everyone.
We have a principal ma'am here on the stage. Lovely being inside.
I request the Vice Chairman, sir.
Ma'am, please.
I request the Vice Chairman, sir, and Director, sir, to please come up and felicitate the moms and the dads here, and then we'll go in for the next round, so we can have a clear photograph.
Okay.
Sir, please, more music, music, music.
have a tough competition with the Princeton map. Anyone? Yes, come on, music. Come on, yes, come on. Come on.
Hi everyone, I am Ravi and we are parents of Ishan Pragar. My son is studying here in BKB and he participated in group dancer. So wish you all to happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'm sure it's so proud of you. Thank you. Good opportunity. We have the next couple of the stage, everyone. Cheers, sir.
Namaste everybody. We are the parents of Arnab Banerjee. He is in PKB and he was doing yoga.
I am Smita Banerjee, mother of Arnab Banerjee. Thank you.
Thank you,
Hello everyone. We are the parents of Ivan Krishna. He is studying in PKB and wishing everyone a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I am the mother of Ivan Pratik Mishra. Wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you.
Thank you, Ivan's mom and dad. I'm sure you missed it. One sign with it. Now we have fun and love to watch it. Many very much. Our kind of love that she provides to our children. Everyone, and she's going to sing the lady of it song. And may we have the next couple on the stage. A huge round of
सर बहुत लेट हो रहा है, बहुत लेट हो रहा है। हाँ, आप तो स्पीक।
Hello everyone, we are proud parents of Harupkar from BKB and thank you for pulling this off so beautifully and lovely to see the kids are performing the way and it's absolute honor. Thank you.
We could not have done it without your support, sir. And your trust in us. Thank you. We have our little Bhavya on stage, ushering the
नमस्ते एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शिखा शर्मा है, मेरा दूसरा नाम है श्याम शर्मा की मम्मी और भव्यांश और भव्या की मौसी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
Namaste everyone, my name is Bhavya Chauhan and I am Bhavyansh's sister.
So sweet, Bhavya.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. We are parents of AZL, PKB, and ABL 4th A. Thank you so much. It was a very wonderful show. And one thing which I really love about this school, and to everybody, sir is here, ma'am. Everybody keeps smiling here. I love the smiling faces, and I wish I could have such an environment when we were growing up. Wonderful. Keep doing the great work. You are the instrument of God on earth. You are building lives. You are building characters, and you never know. Chief Minister, Prime Minister of the future may be here. The engineers of India and are maybe here. You are building India. God bless you all. Keep doing the good work. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words made our day. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you guys? All having fun or not? Yes. No? Yeah, there's a lot of energy in the room, that's a good thing, huh? So my name is Neeraj Gupta, and I'm father of Soumit Gupta, PKB. So this is the first time we are attending the form at this school, and this is actually after a long time. I remember since the time I went to my school, I am visiting my child's school. We used to call annual function at that time. I don't know, it's called form or something like that. But anyhow, God bless you all, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi, and have all the energy you can, have fun.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shobna Gupta, mother of Soumit Gupta. He studied in PKB, and my overall experience with this school is actually amazing. It's been hardly 3 months I've enrolled my kid in this school. But first of all, really want to talk about Principal Ma'am. Her behavior is like unimaginable. And she's such a nice lady behavior-wise. And I find she's truly attached with the kids. So that's the best thing about a principal. Being a principal, I know it's a very higher position. She needs to be strict with everyone since she has to take care of the whole school. But both of them, I'm missing our director, sir. I think they're going to take this school very far. Looking for a great future for this school, and I wish my decision, whatever I did to finally put my kid here, gonna be a perfect decision, and wish you very all the best for your future and for your kids' future, and wish you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
For your kind words.
Pratap Singh Bua, and he performed so well. I was discussing with my bhabhi that teachers are working really great, and he prepared so well. He didn't do any dance and all, so you guys did so well, and we're thankful that he performed so well. So it was really great function. This is my first time that I'm witnessing his function, so it was really great.
Namaste everyone, I'm Shweta, Anara's daughter. She studies in PKC. He's Abhishek Dubey, Anara's chachu, and he's Amit Dubey, Anara's brother. She played role of Yashoda. He's our future student. Sure, definitely. And she performed as a Yashoda Mayamdi role in play. And I would like to thank TSU's team for their hard work. For representing this function. She performed very well and she enhanced his confidence also. It's 3 months she has entered in this school, and I can see the confidence in her. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I'm especially saying thank you to management and especially to teachers for their performance, for their support.
He also said I will come to this school next year.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir. Can we have music? Last but not least, we have a beautiful mother and grandmother on the stage.
Yeah, namaste everyone. So thanks to all the teachers and the management actually, especially principal ma'am. Actually, I am very impressed to meet both of you. And I am Dr. Rupa. And first of all, I am mother of 2 kids. Both are daughters.